In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save on Webflow. If you're a Webflow user, or perhaps new to this platform, understanding how to efficiently save your projects is key. Let's dive into the steps that will ensure all your hard work is secure. To begin, open your preferred web browser and search for Webflow on Google. Once you reach the results page, click on either the Login or Sign Up link, depending on whether you already have an account. If you're new, just follow the prompts to create your account. This may ask for your email address and a password, or let you sign up through an existing account like Google or Facebook. Once you've logged in or signed up, you're ready to start working with Webflow. Now that you're inside the Webflow environment, you'll find yourself in the Webflow Designer. This is a powerful tool where you can bring your creative ideas to life. As you're working, it's really important to know how to perform a manual backup to ensure you don't lose any progress. To do this, use your keyboard and press Ctrl+Shift+S if you're on a PC, or CMD+Shift+S if you're on a Mac. A manual backup is quick and easy, and it gives you peace of mind knowing that you have an extra copy of your project. When you press this combination, a Save Backup window will appear. It's a good practice to give your backup a descriptive name. Entries, such as the date, the version, or even specific details about what changes have been made, can be helpful. It makes finding previous versions easier if you need to revisit or restore them later. Once you've settled on a name that works for you, simply click the Save button, and your manual backup is safely stored. In addition to manual backups, Webflow automatically saves most changes you make within the designer. This is a fantastic feature because it means your changes are usually saved without needing your active intervention. To make sure your changes are saved, look towards the top toolbar for a Changes Saved checkmark. This visual confirmation can be very reassuring. It's a reminder that your workspace is being continuously preserved as you work. So there you have it. We've gone through the essential steps to save on Webflow effectively. Navigating to Webflow, logging in, utilizing both manual backups, and relying on automatic saves ensures your designs are always secure. Now, as you continue to create within Webflow, you can focus more on your creative process, knowing that these precautions have your back. Thank you for tuning into this video, and happy designing.